I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up the new pool table. So it just takes literally seconds. You open your leg, you unstrap the main brace from the middle. You're going to take your thumb screws and simply screw them on. Just like so. So it requires no tools. It's all thumb screwed on. And then we're just simply using 2 dollies, 2 little rolling furniture dollies, and that's how you want to transport it. The soft case is padded, which we're getting ready to take off. So once you got it, I don't really even need George. Of course, it's a lot easier with George. You just kind of tilt it. It's going to fall right into place. It's not that heavy. I can lift it myself. And just tilt it in. There we go. Once you're there, just remove the soft case. And the soft case has little zip ties right here. You just want to loosen those. That allows it to release on the corners. Plug it in. You're ready to glow and have some fun. Just reverse the whole process when you're ready to go to the next event. Super easy to move.